Hello friends, I am Yogesh and welcome to my channel Hello Sahitya. Friends, today I am going to deal with the MCQs of the nature of the linguistic sign. So let us start. The first question is, according to Sassurre, the sign is made of, the options are A. Two parts, representment and interpretant. B. Three parts, signified, signifier and referent. C. Two parts, signified and signifier. D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Two parts, signified and signifier. Question number 2. How did Sassurre define lang? Options are A. The use of the language. B. The arbitrary component. C. The language system. D. All of the above. The right answer is C. The language system. Question number 3. The arbitrariness of the sign means that the options are A. There is not natural link between the word and its meaning. B. There is an internal natural link between the word and its meaning. C. Each sign is the result of both a natural and cultural agreement. D. All of the above. The right answer is A. There is not natural link between the word and its meaning. Question number 4. Sassurre viewed the linguistic unit as a combination of, the options are A. Sound image, B. A concept of meaning, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Both A and B. That is A. Sound image as well a concept or meaning. Question number 5. Who has written the theory of irony as a principle of structure? The options are A. Clinthbrook, B. Derrida, C. Wimsatt, D. Ronald Barthes. The right answer is A. Clinthbrook. Question number 6. Who consider literature as superstructure? The options are A. Structuralist, B. Post-structuralist, C. Marxist, D. Feminist. The right answer is C. Marxist. Question number 7. Who used the term structuralism first time? Options are A. Sassurre, B. Derrida, C. Levi-Strauss, D. Ronald Barthes. The right answer is C. Levi-Strauss. Question number 8. Who wrote Course in General Linguistics? Options are A. Sassurre, B. Derrida, C. Michel Foucault, D. Ronald Barthes. The right answer is A. Sassurre. Course in General Linguistics is a collection of lectures which was delivered by Sassurre. Later, the student of Sassurre collected that lecture notes and published the lectures in a book form that is known as a Course in a General Linguistics. Question number 9. Who has given the theory of deconstruction? Options are A. Sassurre, B. Derrida, C. Michel Foucault, D. Ronald Barthes. The right answer is B. Derrida, Jacques Derrida. Question number 9. Signifier means. Question number 10. Signifier means. The option are A. The sound image, B. The living object, C. Non-living object, D. All of the above. The right answer is A. The sound image. Question number 11. The lifespan of Sassurre is. The options are A. 1857 to 1910, 1857 to 1930, 1860 to 1955, D. 1860 to 1930. The right answer is B. 1857 to 1930. Question number 12. Course in General Linguistics was published in. The options are A. 1920, B. 1930, C. 1960, D. 1950. The right answer is C. 1930. Question number 13. Language is structured because. The options are A. It is like a game, B. It provides structure to our thoughts, C. It is a mirror of the human mind, D. Both B and C. The right answer is B. It provides structure to our thoughts. I have wrongly typed here. The right answer is B. It provides structure to our thoughts. Question number 14. What is the name of the linguist that defined the sign using a Triadic model. The options are Noam Chomsky, B. Derrida, C. Saussure, D. Charles Peirce. The right answer is D. Charles Peirce. Question number 15. The blank is concept connected to its sign by virtue of law. The options are A. Icon, B. Symbol, C. Index, D. Object. The right answer is B. Symbol. Thank you so much. I request you to subscribe my channel, share the videos, like the videos, and do comment on it. Thank you.